resentment is at its peak among the youngsters of illegally occupied POK, who are against the decision regarding the regularization of ad hoc employees. Save Merit in AJK has been trending on the accounts of POK-based internet users for months now. Anti-ad hoc movement has also started in the region with the sole demand to revoke the controversial law AJK regulation of the service of certain categories of contractual, ad hoc or temporary Government Employment Act 2021 that was enacted by the state legislature. Recently, the people associated with the movement staged a protest in Muzaffarabad's Upper Chhattar area. They said that the enactment of the law will crush the aspirations of thousands of promising candidates who are confident of their placements in civil service on the basis of competitive exams of the Public Service Commission.
जो भी हुकूमत आती है वो अपने बंदे एडाकिज्म नाम के साथ अपॉइंट करते हैं और फिर कुछ अरसे के बाद उनको परमानेंट कर दिया जाता है। हम अदल के लिए खड़े हैं, हम इंसाफ के लिए खड़े हैं, हम अपनी नौकरियों से हमें कोई गर्ज नहीं है, लेकिन हम ये चाहते हैं कि आने वाली नस्लों को एक अच्छा निज़ाम दो, एक अच्छा इंसाफ वाला निज़ाम हो, मेरिट वाला निज़ाम हो। ये किसी की थर्ड डिवीजन बमुश्किल है, लेकिन वो किसी वज़ीर का भतीजा है, किसी का भांजा है और तुमने उसको 17 स्केल में लगा दिया। अल्लाह के बंदो, कुछ तो खौफ करो कि 8 नंबर NTS में लेने के बाद तुमने हेडमास्टर भर्ती किया हुआ है, PSC का कभी मुंह नहीं देखा और तुमने 17 स्केल में लगाया हुआ है। खुदारा ये अवाम के साथ जुल्म ना करो।
The controversial law was passed by the former government of POK, Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz, when they were in power. They justified their move by claiming it to be passed on humanitarian grounds, as many people had been serving as ad hoc and contractual employees for years. But the civil society, particularly the youth, alleged that the law is a legal cover for the regularization of those connected to politicians and bureaucrats and were inducted in the service without any open competition, which is itself against the law. At a recent protest, demonstrators said that they gave their vote to Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf or PTI because its election manifesto was against the Ad Hoc Act, but after coming to power, the party could not take any practical step in this regard, which has led to massive agitation.
हुकूमत ने इक़्तिदार में आने से पहले अवाम से ये वादा किया था कि जैसे ही वो असम्बली में आएंगे तो सबसे पहले वो इस एक्ट को रिपील करेंगे। अब मौजूदा हुकूमत को बने हुए 5 महीने हो चुके हैं, लेकिन अब तक इस पे कोई प्रॉपर काम नहीं हुआ और अब जाके इस पे एक कमेटी बनी है जिसका कोई ये नहीं मेंशन किया गया कि वो कमेटी कितने अरसे में ये चीज़ डिसाइड करेगी। और हम लोगों ने इसके अगेंस्ट कोर्ट्स में भी केस किया हुआ है जिसे 8 महीने हो गए, लेकिन 8 महीने में अभी तक जजेस का बेंच कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ और हमारी एक भी हेयरिंग इस केस पे नहीं हो सकी।
There have been several times when the government in illegally occupied POK have abused its authority in the worst possible manner with malified intention, and the regularization of ad hoc employees is one such case. But this time, civil society and youth activists are not ready to step back. They are using all available forums to register their protest so that the law gets declared as ultra-vires.